Oh my God, it's
Okay, this is Tiger
stretching.
Leech. We're on the nature trail with some of my
Tiger
group.
Leech.
Tiger Leech, look at that shape of it. It's a stripy leech and it's active after heavy downpour.
That's why we have
That's
the shady.
Gustavo taking a photo. And Joe
Hey.
and Mayumi. Yeah, we have a fun day with the leech. Now he's stressing out himself, you see, because it doesn't get me. Yes.
God.
This is one of the
Tiger
unique
Leech.
creature in the rainforest.
Tiger Leech.
Tiger leech. Well,
Wow.
Yeah, you got
yeah.
the leech.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Interesting about this leech, they're related to the hemorrhoidates.
The what?
Yeah, hemorrhoidates. Whenever they get bit of your blood, they always stuck in you, and then stays there for a bit, and then it sucks your blood. When they get on you, it will inject anticoagulant and anesthetic.
Put your finger there.
Mhm.
Joe,
Yeah.
can you put your finger there? It was nice. Yeah, right there.
Mhm.
It's great. Oh my God.
He's
Oh
really
my
looking.
God.
He love you, dude.
Oh my God.
That's why you don't feel the bite of the leeches, because they injected anticoagulant anesthetic. So only you realize that there be a blood all over your feet and in your arm.
Now I'm thinking
Yes.
maybe I should put my long sleeve back on.
Yeah. Okay, that's quite a size of this leech. Never mind, don't worry about it. Come on. Okay.
Ah, yeah, but he starts to bite me now. No?
Yeah.
No, is it
No,
supposed
no,
to
it's
bite?
all right.
No.
It doesn't go so. Well, I will get rid of it. Okay.